Hi there, welcome to the Paid Memberships Pro guided video series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Paid Memberships Pro onto your WordPress website. There are a couple of ways you can install Paid Memberships Pro onto your site, so let's get started. If you've signed up for one of our memberships, log into your account at paidmembershipspro.com. From your account page, click on the Downloads button. Scroll down the page a bit and click on the download link provided. Your browser will now download a zip folder containing the latest version of Paid Memberships Pro. Now it's time to install the plugin. Log into your WordPress website and navigate to the WordPress dashboard. From here, click on the Plugins, Add New option. Now go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button. Click Choose File and select the recently downloaded Paid Memberships Pro zip file. Once done, click Install Now and activate the plugin. Paid Memberships Pro is now installed and activated onto your WordPress website, ready to set up. There is another way you can install PM Pro onto your website. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click the Plugins Add New option, and in the top right section, you should notice a Search Plugins search bar. Type in Paid Memberships Pro into the search field, locate Paid Memberships Pro from the plugins provided, click Install Now, and when ready, activate the plugin. That's it. Now you're ready to start setting up your membership site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.